Working with human beings.
Growing personally.
What gets people motivated?
Personal development, which actually automatically translated into professional development.
What do we need to come to a fulfilling life? Because a fulfilling life makes us happy. And the key, and I bring the key right at the beginning, the key what we found out is that we have to live congruent with our essence. The essence of the human being is the person. The essence means, and the person by itself is something free in us.
What inspires me very much about Alfried Längle is how he very directly pinpoints what he means by the use of words. He's very explicit in his use of words, and he has a very compassionate, empathetic way of understanding the individual and making the individual aware of what is actually subconsciously going on. What excites me most about this course is very much the focus on self-experience and how openly we discuss our experiences. And it is not about judgment, it is not about evaluation of our experiences, it is rather about sharing and then giving space, holding space for further reflection. And I find it incredibly beneficial just to share thoughts, to share feelings, and to recognize, to be seen.
For me, the most important part of the course is specifically the in-depth study into what gets people motivated, what gets them out of bed each morning. And in this course, we go in depth. We actually discuss it and analyze these aspects. And for me, at least, it gives me a much better understanding primarily about myself.
I'm interested in contributing to the world, so I want to gain more knowledge and structure and framework on how I can deliver this to help others, be it individuals or organizations, either companies.
I think Professor Längle has basically given us a recipe how to live a happy life and to just get involved with